Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Date and Time. And as you can see here, we've got some options connected with the date and time. Currently, they are set automatically. So first of all, turn off this option just by tapping on that switcher. And now we can freely tap on date and choose it just by swiping. Confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time. Just tap on OK. And the time zone, we can also change it. Just tap on it. And here we've got the full list of available ones. So just find yours and tap. And it will be also immediately applied. We can decide whether we want to use dual clocks, and the main idea of this feature is that your device will display the clock from the place you're currently in and the clock from any other place in the world of your choice. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. And here you can change the time format. Currently we are using the 24-hour one. You can set 12-hour format just by turning off this option, so it's up to you. That was the manual customization. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by tapping on this switcher right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.